Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. A very good morning to all of you. So be ready with your textbook, notebook, pen, pencil, and eraser, all your stationery. We will wait 1-2 minutes more.
Ma'am, do we need textbook?
Yes, we need textbook also.
Okay, ma'am.
First, we will solve the questions which are given in the textbook on page number 107, 108, and 109. After that, we will continue our patterns. As you all know that we have already done with the patterns with the shapes, and we have covered few this turns also, right? 1/4 turn, half a turn, quarter turn, how the shape change and how the figure change when it turns.
Ma'am, you will do screen mirror of 107,
Yes, yes,
108,
I will. Yes, I
198.
will show you on the screen also.
Okay.
Ma'am, what's the page number of textbook?
107.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Lakshya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, Catherine, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, Catherine, ma'am. Good morning, Renu, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning. Good
Good
morning.
morning.
On
Okay.
page number of textbook.
Okay, children. Open page number 107. I will present my screen and I will explain you all the questions which are given. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Thank you. So on the first screen, it is showing on the page number 107, Tinu used this block to make a sari. Can you see the block is used to make a sari pattern, which we have done activity?
Yes. Yes, yes.
Yes, we have done activity also in our last class, right? So can you now next page I will show you the same block he has used to make the bed sheet, and in which she had used turn the blocks and make one design with one block only, right? So when you turn, these are the blocks used for making patterns on sari, dupatta, bed sheets. So these are the, please mute your mic everyone. Someone mic is on, please mute your mic. So
Okay,
these
ma'am.
are the blocks which are used to make saris, printing on saris, dupattas, lehengas, whatever, right? So this is the one block only used, and with the one block, many patterns can be created. So now you can see on the next down, next we have made backsheet with the same block, but the same block is turned with the half a turn, quarter turn, and 3/4 turn and make a complete design. You can see here. Then It is anti-clockwise 1/4, then half a turn anti-clockwise, and then again 3/4 turn anti-clockwise. You can do the same design with clockwise also. That's why we are learning turn with the half a turn, 3/4 turn, and 1/4 turn. Now, turn the page, page number 108. Now, same block, but now he is making dupatta. And now he think that in his mind, can I create it some in different way? So Tinu created first up, then second down. You children read it as up and down, right? But one more method is that one is up on the original position and the second is half a turn. And then again half a turn, then again half a turn. When you take a half a turn clockwise, this pattern will be created. But you children, in normal way, you think that this is up and down. Yes or no? Show me thumbs up.
Yes.
Yes. But the way we have learned
Yes.
clockwise turn and anti-clockwise turn, we can read this pattern or we can draw this pattern in that way also. One is at the original position, then half a turn clockwise, then half a turn, then again half a turn. If you turn it, the pattern will be created. Now, next. What is a pattern? Again, we repeat the same definition. A pattern is a series or a sequence that repeats. Math patterns are sequence that repeat based on the rule. You will learn different kinds of pattern. Repeated pattern you will learn. You will learn growing pattern also. That is called increasing pattern or decreasing pattern. In some numbers, in some shapes, you will learn that the shape is increasing. Like the way I have sent you a worksheet. In one dice, there is one dot only. Then in the second dice, there are two dots only. Then in the third dice, there is three dots. It means what is happening? Can you answer me, children?
Ma'am, the thing that is happening is it
The
increases
pattern
one,
is in,
two,
yes. The
four,
pattern is
five.
increasing. Yes?
Increasing, ma'am.
Yeah. Now open this page number, the same page number 108. There is given, can you see Tinu has made different pattern using the same block? Now you have to make 3 different pattern using the block. This is the block which is given in your textbook also. Using this block, can you create the different patterns and draw in your textbooks? I will also show you one pattern. Look here. One up, one down we can also make. That is, we can say half a turn. Then again we can do half a turn again, half a turn again, and half a turn again. This is also one pattern we can create with this block.
Ma'am, even we can do that up, then
Can also
down,
be just
then side,
block and
then
Yes.
again up.
Who is explaining this? Twisha. Yes, Twisha. Can you please explain us in which way you can also do? Switch on your camera, please.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you please explain in another way?
Like up,
Yes.
then down, then side, and then again up, down.
So that you can use with the turns. 1/4 turn, half a turn. See, can you see me?
Yes.
Suppose can you see me that I am showing something? Suppose this is your block, right? Fazan, stop presenting.
Farzan,
Yes. Wait a minute. I will stop presenting. Now, can you see me, Trisha?
Yes.
Yeah. See, this is my block, right? And if I want to make the different patterns with this block, I can make 1/4 turn, half a turn clockwise, 3/4 turn clockwise, and again on its original position. Yes? Understood, children? Yes or no?
Yes.
So this way, when you turn the block, the shape design will change. Yes? Yes or no? Right now, when it is in original position, it is showing cap up. When it will go 1/4 turn, cap at the side. Half a turn, cap down. 3/4 turn, capped on the another side. Another again on its original position.
Can you show the example of the pattern?
Yeah, I'm showing you. Okay, wait. I will show you the example of pattern on the screen also.
Ma'am, which you done now? One
We can start doing. Ma'am, can we start doing?
Yes, children, please start doing.
Ma'am, we can make A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I like that.
No, only the block is given. You have to make the pattern with that block.
Ma'am, there is no block given.
My dear, block is given in your books. This block is given on page number 108. Use this block's shape. Can you see Rudra now?
Ma'am, there is no. Ma'am, of this shape we have to make.
Yes, with this shape, you have to make a pattern.
Ma'am, but in textbook it is not given.
Can you see it is given on your page number
It is
108?
given, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, it's given.
You to
Yes.
make 3 different patterns using this.
Yes,
At the
with
last-
this block, you have to create 3 different patterns. Now, I will forward this next pattern I will show you. See, the pattern which we were discussing, 1/4, half a turn, 3/4 turn, and again back to its original position. And this pattern is called which pattern? It's the changing the position pattern. Now, third pattern is 2 up and then third is down. Then again 2 up, third is down. This is the repeating pattern. So 3 different patterns I show you with the same block. You can create your own patterns also with the same block.
Ma'am, I don't
Yes,
understand
Ayush.
the third.
Yes, wait. See, Vivan, that was the example. You can create your own pattern. Yes, Ayush, tell me.
Ma'am, we can also create a pattern as the same block is repeating itself like this, 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 this.
But it will not be
That's
a
also
pattern,
a
no.
pattern, right?
Yeah, it will be then all will same. But for pattern,
Ma'am,
there will be
it is
some
hard.
changes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it's a
Yes, Vedi.
repeated pattern.
ma'am, it is
This is
hard.
repeated, this is
Hard to draw or hard to understand?
Hard to draw.
Hard to draw. You can use any shape. Vedi, if you're not able to draw this, you can even draw circles. You can even draw a leaf if you're not able to draw this, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in my textbook, nothing is given. Pattern 3 that.
My dear, all the 3 patterns you have to draw, Rudra.
And ma'am, my page number is also not given in the bottom.
108 is not given.
No, ma'am. See, I'm.
Okay.
Present.
Maybe by mistake you write the page number and you see the shape which I am showing you, right? But in everyone's book it is given. Maybe it is a printing problem in your textbook. So children, you can see the patterns here and later on you can complete it. Now let's discuss with the next patterns on page number 109. First is 1 leaf, 2 leaf, 3 leaf. This is called which pattern? Which type of pattern it is?
Repeated pattern.
Repeated pattern or a growing pattern?
Ma'am, it is like counting. Counting pattern.
It is a growing pattern.
Okay, ma'am.
It is growing from 1 leaf to 2 leaf, then 3 leaf, and it is changing the turn also. 1 leaf.
I'm done with all the 3 patterns.
Good.
Ma'am,
Uh,
Ma'am, it's repeating.
Yeah, it's repeating and it's repeating. Ayush, listen to me. Manrajoria, mute your mic. Now listen to me, children. On the page number 109, it's increasing pattern, but it's changing its position also. How the leaves are increasing. Check in the pattern. First one is at the original position, then again, half, 1/4 turn, one leaf is increasing. Then from the second, when you make the third one more leaf is increasing on the half a turn, and then full flower will be on 3/4 turn. Same way, now this pattern you have to repeat. One leaf, then two leaves, then three leaves, and then four leaves, and complete the design. Then please mute your mics, everyone. I request everyone to mute their mics. Yash? Yes. Now next is 2 arrow down, 2 arrow up, then 3 arrow down, 3 arrow up. Now what will be the next? Sia will tell me. Sia, you are there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Now Sia, tell me, what will be the next pattern?
Ma'am, it will be 2 leaves.
See, no, in here, second one. In the second one, 2 up, sorry, 2 down, 2 up, 2, 3 down, 3 up. Now what will come?
No, ma'am, it's 2 up, 2 down, 3 up, 3 down. And
Yeah, I'm asking from Sia. Sia, tell me, what will be the next now?
ma'am, can I tell?
No, give chance to Sia. Sia,
Ma'am,
please complete this.
Yes, ma'am.
Second
Ma'am,
one.
second is 2 leaves, third is 3 leaves.
Sia, I'm asking with the second, this one. Can you see my cursor here?
Yes.
Yeah, this pattern. Can you complete this pattern, the second pattern?
Yes.
Yeah, tell me now.
It is 4 and we have to make arrow up.
Yeah, and then?
And
No, 4
we
arrow
have
up
to
or
make
down?
up.
No. See, first down, then up. Then down, then up. Then what will come next?
It will be 4 lines and it will be come down the arrow.
Yes, yes. And then next will be?
5 lines
No,
and it will
same
be
4 lines. 2
4
times
lines.
2 is repeating, 2 times 3 is repeating. So 4 times this will repeat, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So 4 lines up.
Up.
Arrow up. Then 5 down and 5 up.
Up.
Yes. This way you will create. Now, next one is circle 1. Aryaman Sangai, can you complete the circle 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. First, I will explain you. 1/4 turn red, half a turn red, 3/4 turn red. Now, what will be the next?
Next will come in up. In up, there will come left side.
Yes. See, I will
Then
show you.
right side. Then
Yes.
down. Right side. Then left side.
Yes, I will show you. It will complete the pattern. See. The left side up, then right side up, then right side down, and it will keep on changing the pattern. Have you understood, children, till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, please.
Ma'am,
And now,
you will send in classroom.
no, if I am explaining why I will send in the classroom. Now, keep your books aside. And now we will learn about the number patterns. Number patterns, same rules will be same. Like where see, I will show you one video on number patterns. In number patterns, like if I use 2, 4, 6, 8, what I am doing? I am adding some numbers, or I am subtracting, or I am multiplying. What I am doing, children?
Skipping of 2.
Yes, skipping of 2. This is also called skipping on 2. This rule is there. If I can say this is even numbers, I am doing, right? 2, 4, 6, 8.
Yes.
Right? Even numbers. And I can say I'm adding 2 in each number. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Nishika.
Can I go to washroom?
Yes, please. So on these number patterns, I am going to show you one video. Some numbers are like with the multiplication method, with the addition, and with the subtraction. So you will see the video on the basis of the number patterns.
Different types of patterns. Today, let us look at some of the rules to make common number patterns.
Ma'am, can you mute it?
Yes.
Rule 1. An arithmetic sequence can be made by adding or subtracting the same value each time. Let's see how to get an arithmetic sequence by adding number 3 each time. Look at the number line. Start with number 1. So, here on adding 3 to 1, we get the answer as 4. Now adding 3 to the next number, that is 4, we get the answer as 7. Similarly, we get 10, 13, 16, and so on. Look, by adding 3 to the last number each time, we have got a number pattern. Now, let us see how to get an arithmetic sequence by subtracting number 2 each time. Look at the number line. As we will be subtracting, we will be moving towards the left. Start with number 25. So, here on subtracting 2 from number 25, we get the answer as 23. Next, 23 minus 2 is 21.
Now 21 minus 2. What will be the next number?
19.
Very good. 19 minus 2. What will be the next number?
17.
So this is the rule. Very good. Rahil, you are writing 29. We are subtracting here. We are not adding. Okay. So,
Ma'am, after 17, it will come 15.
yes. So, what is the rule this pattern is following here?
Subtract by 2.
Subtract by 2. Yes. So, I will mute myself now. You have to watch the video carefully.
Subscribe.
Similarly, we get 19, 17, 15, and so on. Look, on subtracting 2 from the last number each time, we got a number pattern. Rule 2. An arithmetic sequence can be made by multiplying or dividing by the same value each time. Let's see how to get an arithmetic sequence on multiplying by number 3 each time. So here, on multiplying 1 by 3, we get 3. Now, when 3 is multiplied by 3 again, we get the product as 9. Next, 9 multiplied by 3 is equal to 27. Similarly, the pattern is continued by multiplying the product obtained by multiplier 3 like this. So, the sequence obtained here is 3, 9, 27, 81, 243 and so on.
Can you see
Ma'am,
this?
I
Yeah.
have a doubt.
Yes, please, Aryaman.
Ma'am, if I want to make one triangle like this, so I will make one number line. Then I will I've made 1 to 10 number line. So I want to minus 2. So I will first take from 10 to 7.
Then 10 to 8 will come if you minus
10
2.
to 8. So like that it's number pattern.
Yeah, number pattern. This number line is just the, please mute your mics, otherwise my voice will echo. Yes, this number line is just showing you to explain you the rules of the pattern. Yes, when you do the pattern of numbers, you will not need to draw the number line. You have to think mentally and write. Clear, Aryaman? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So my next question is, have you understood the multiplication method? See, 1 into 3 is 3. So the product is 3. Then again the 3 will be multiplied with the 3. So it will be 9. Then 9 multiplied by 3, 27. Mean with the each multiplication of 3 with the numbers, we are getting the next new product. And again multiplying it with the 3. Have you understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Now I will ask this example from one child. Arna Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give me one example of multiplications?
Yes.
Multiplication of 2 also you can use. Multiplication of 3 also you can use. And tell me.
Ma'am, 2 into 2 into 1 is equals to 2. Then 3 multiplied by 2 is,
No, why 3 then?
because I am taking all the odd numbers.
Okay. So you have said 1. Wait a minute. I'll write your pattern. You said 1 multiplied by 2, right?
Yes.
1 multiplied by 2 equals to 2. Then
3 multiplied by 2 is equals to 6. Then 5 multiplied by 2 is equals to 10.
5 multiplied by 2 equal to 10. So can you see what is the gap in between these two? First you got the answer 2, right? Then you got the answer 6.
Yes.
Then you got the answer 10.
Yes.
Is the difference between all these numbers is the same? Difference means when you subtract 2 and see 2 plus, when you do 4 will be added in 2, you will get 6, right?
Yes.
Then again in 6, if you add 4, you will get 10.
Yes.
Yes. So your number pattern is right?
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Now let us see how to get an arithmetic sequence by dividing the given number by 2 each time. Let us take the number 160. So here, on dividing 160 by 2, we get 80. Now, on dividing 80 by 2, we get 40. Similarly, the pattern is continued on dividing the last number by 2 each time like this. So the sequence obtained here is 160, 80, 40, 20, 10 and 5.
Then there are 20
Rule
distance.
3. An arithmetic sequence can be made by multiplying or dividing by 10, 100, 1000, etc. Let's see an arithmetic sequence on multiplying 128 by 10, 100 and 1000. So let's look at the pattern. 128 multiplied by 10 is equal to 1280. 128 multiplied by 100 is equal to 12,800. And lastly, 128 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 1,28,000. Similarly, let's see an arithmetic sequence on dividing 1,28,000 by 10, 100 and 1000. So, let's look at the pattern. 1,28,000 divided by 10 is equal to 12,800.
Children, have you observed when it is multiplying by 10, 100,000, zeros are increasing?
And
Yes.
when dividing it,
And when they sit properly. And when it is dividing, the zeros are decreasing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in rule it was given divided by.
Who is speaking, Aryaman or Prisha?
Ma'am, adding
Yes, Aryaman.
it was in division. It was showing divided by 2. So we divide any number. The answer will come. We will we will divide it by 2 and answer like that. We have to
See, Aryaman, you have to see the number pattern which is following, right? Sometime if I say like first is 3, 6, 9. What will be the next two numbers? 3, 6, 9. Complete the pattern with the next two numbers.
12.
12. Wait, let Aryaman only speak. 12 and the next will be
12, 15.
15. So you have to observe the pattern which is following and then you have to continue it. Okay. The rule which is it is taking, if it is an addition of 2, it is a multiplication of 2. First you have to see what the rule the other numbers are following in the beginning and that you have to continue with this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I'm going to show you. This you have done. Now I'm going to show you one more video. Can you see the tiles are there?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Tiles are drawn here and what is written, Trisha, in the at the top?
Ma'am, it's written 3, one tree it's written 3 and other tree it's written 5 and third
No,
tree is
no.
written
Wait a
7
minute.
and
Wait a minute. Please mute your mic. Whose mic is
Arna,
on?
mute your mic.
Vivan, what is written here?
Ma'am, it's written patterns around us.
Very good.
An
In everyday life,
Now-
we see many patterns.
Okay, now listen it properly. No one will leave the class, please.
and numbers are repeated uniformly in a specific way, a pattern is formed.
Ma'am, can you
Now look at these examples.
Yes.
We can create various forms of patterns using objects, geometrical shapes, pictures, numbers, sounds, touch actions like tapping, and physical actions like clapping and jumping. Pattern in geometrical shapes.
So it was saying, no, that we can do the patterns with the clapping, jumping, hopping, right? Can you all do along with me with the clapping?
Yes, ma'am. We
First, you have to observe
ma'am.
me. First, you have to observe me. I will not explain you my pattern, which pattern I am following. You have to observe my pattern and do accordingly, okay? What I am doing?
Clapping.
No, how?
Clapping. 1, 2, 3.
Ma'am, you are like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Yes, 1, 2,
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
3.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
First 1,
1, 2, 2, then 3.
1, 2, 3. Yes. First clap, second clap, and 2 claps together. Understood? Okay, now Vivan will show.
there are 3 claps together.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
3 claps together. Vivan, can you show this pattern in the jumping?
Jumping.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Show us, please.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
You are jumping together.
1, 2. Ma'am, can I show?
Which child is saying?
1, 2, 3.
Can I show?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I show?
Can I show yours?
Yes, Aryaman, can you show us?
Ma'am, can I show?
Can I show?
With jumping?
Ma'am, can I show?
Wait a minute.
Ma'am, Yash was saying, can I show?
Yes, please show us. You are not visible, Yash.
Ma'am, can I do after Yash?
Yes, please explain us also.
Can I after Lamha?
Yes, please explain what you have done.
Ma'am, I have done this pattern.
How?
2, 3.
Okay, Lamha. Yes,
Ma'am,
please.
I have
Lamha, something else, not in jumping only.
my own pattern?
Yes, not in jumping only. Make your own pattern.
Okay. Ma'am, am I visible?
Not clearly. You are not visible properly.
Now?
Yes.
So I have made twist, 1, 2, 3.
Good. Anyone else? Okay, now we will continue this. Yes, Prisha, I will come back to you later.
I have an
Children,
alphabetic letter pattern. So it is A, Z, B, Y, C, X, D, W, E, B, and F, U.
Good. This is the alphabet pattern, right? Children, please don't leave the class. Don't leave the class. Okay, I am again going to present this. Please listen it carefully.
There are two types of patterns. They are growing patterns
your mic?
Catherine, ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
you can leave. Thank you, ma'am.
repeated patterns. Now, what are growing patterns?
If some patterns and designs grow with straight lines and geometrical shapes, they are called growing patterns. Look at these examples. These are examples of growing patterns. Now do this exercise and continue the pattern. Pattern.
To screen and we will discuss. First triangle 1, then 2, then 3, then what will come next?
1.
4.
4, yes. Then one arrow up, one down, one up, one down, 2 up, then 2 down. What will be the next?
Then 3 up. Then 3 up.
Yes. Now see, 1 L, then 2 L's are there, then it is completing this U shape, then it is
The
making
complete square.
complete square. Very good.
Repeated patterns. If some patterns and designs repeat with straight lines and geometrical shapes, they are called repeated patterns. And these are some examples of repeated patterns. Now do this exercise and continue the pattern. Pattern 1.
I will show you again and we will discuss in the pattern 1, one petal only with the flower, then 3, right? And then 5. And then this is the repeated pattern, 1, 3, and then what will come next? How many petals?
5.
4, 5.
5.
2 petals.
Yes, 2 petals are increasing. Then star, then
Star,
sun.
moon, star, double moon,
Moon.
star, moon,
Star,
star, double
So
moon.
this is a repeated
Yes.
set.
One.
So there will be stars.
Ma'am,
Yes,
star,
Pattern
double
2.
moon.
very good.
Pattern 3.
Ma'am, square, triangle,
Follow
Yes.
this
rectangle. What is that,
pattern
ma'am?
to reach the school from home.
Yes, ma'am. Stars.
Pattern in numbers. We have made some patterns with pictures. We can make patterns with numbers too. Look at these rows of numbers. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
So what will come next?
10.
25. Yes or no?
20.
Then
Yes,
in the
sir.
multiple of 10, 10, 20, 30,
10,
40, what will come next?
50. 50.
Very good. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. What will come
100.
next?
120.
120.
20.
30, 40,
120.
50.
Yes.
20, 40, and 10, 20,
See, these are the
30,
skipping one numbers.
40,
Multiples of
50,
10.
and
Skip
so
one
on.
number. Then again skipping one number.
17, 19,
19, 21.
23, 25, and so on.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
ma'am,
Yes.
can I say?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Mute your mic. Mute your mic. Someone mic is.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children. So this today we have learned the number patterns also. Today I am going to send you the worksheet based on number pattern.
Okay. The number pattern.
Yeah, I will send you worksheet based on number pattern in the classroom today. Complete it and send it to me. Okay? Have you understood,
ma'am.
children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How was today's class?
Ma'am, very interesting.
Nice, sir.
Okay.
Nice
Thank
and
you.
interesting.